Want to mix your voice, music, and sound effects all at the same time? To do that, you need to open a multi-track session, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's get started. When you first open Adobe Audition, you are usually in the waveform view. This view is for editing just one single audio file. But to combine multiple files, we need the multi-track view. Look at the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see two main buttons, Waveform and Multitrack. Simply click on the button that says Multitrack. A new window will pop up asking for some details. The most important thing here is to give your session a name. How to AI King. My first project. You can leave the other settings on their defaults for now. They are usually perfect. Now, just click OK. And there you have it. You are now inside the multi-track editor. You can see all the different tracks, ready for you to drag and drop your audio files. And that's how you unlock the true power of Audition, by starting a multi-track session. If this essential first step helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner tutorials.